If you've been going back and forth between Power BI and Tableau, trying to figure out which one to actually spend your time learning, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to give you a clear answer, not a wishy-washy, it depends. So stay to the end because there are three questions I'm going to ask that tell you exactly which one fits your situation. And it will take about 30 seconds to know. Hey, I'm Arlen and welcome to Data with Arlen. And in this video, we'll be covering what each tool is actually built for, who each one is right for, and the three questions that make the decision obvious. So let's get into it. Now, before we go deeper, if you work at a company in a business role and you want to move up and add real value with data, the answer is almost certainly Power BI. I'll show you exactly why in a moment, but I want to give you that answer first instead of making you sit through a full comparison before I say it. If this is already helpful, you want to save it, go ahead and click the like button. It helps YouTube show this to more people who are stuck on this exact question. Now, let me back it up. Tableau is a powerful tool. It's been around longer. It does have a reputation for producing stunning custom visuals. And in certain industries like consulting or data journalism agencies that do external client work, it is the dominant tool. Now, Tableau gives you more creative control over how a visualization looks. If you are building a chart that needs to be completely custom and will be published somewhere public, Tableau does give you that level of flexibility. But here's the reality. Tableau has a steeper learning curve. It is significantly more expensive, especially the full desktop version. And for most business analysts and data analyst jobs, the company is not paying for Tableau licenses. They're using Microsoft products already, like Excel, Teams, SharePoint, Azure, and Power BI fits directly into that ecosystem at no extra cost. Power BI is Microsoft's business intelligence tool. It's built for the business environment, connecting to company data, building dashboards that managers can check every morning, automating reports that used to be manual spreadsheets, and sharing findings inside an organization. Now, most mid-size and enterprise companies already have Microsoft 365 licenses, which means Power BI is either already available to them or just one step away. It's also free to download Power BI desktop. It costs nothing. You can build everything we build on this channel on your own computer right now for free. Now, if you're not sure where to start on your path from learning these tools to landing a data analyst role, I put together a free data analyst career roadmap. It shows you the exact steps in the right order. Grab it, it's free. Click the link in the description. Now, here are the three questions. Answer these, and the decision makes itself. So, question one: what tool does your company or target company use? So check job postings for data analyst roles in your area and just count how many say Power BI versus Tableau. Now, most markets and most industries, Power BI appears significantly more often. If the answer is unclear, just assume Power BI is the safer default for a business focused career. Question two: are you trying to get a job or do you work for an agency or consultancy doing external client work? Well, if you're getting a job at a company, any standard business analyst or data analyst roles, you should just learn Power BI. Now, if you're doing and then you're going into consulting or agency work where clients request Tableau specifically, then learn Tableau. Now, for most people watching this video, the answer is Power BI. So, question three: are you already in the Microsoft ecosystem at work? So, if you use Excel, Teams, SharePoint, or any other Microsoft product at your job, Power BI slots directly into what you already know. The data connection, the sharing, the publishing, it all speaks the same language. And the integration alone is worth a lot of time saved. So here I just loaded a simple sales extract, 12 rows, 4 columns. 2 categories, 3 months in just about 30 seconds. I pulled in the data from my CSV, has these columns, and now I simply have a chart that shows the sales by region that you can drop into a meeting right now. There's no configuration required, no licensing call. This is Power BI desktop, free to download, and it's available today. Point is not that Tableau can't do this. The point is that for the majority of business data work, Power BI does exactly what you need. It connects easily, directly to your tools that your company already uses, and is what most data analyst job postings are asking for. This is a hard combination to argue with. And that is how you make the decision. Power BI for business roles, corporate environments, and most data analyst jobs. Tableau if you're going into consulting or agency work where clients specifically request it. For the majority of people watching this, Power BI is the right answer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build with it step by step on this channel. The next time someone asks you, should I learn Power BI or Tableau? You'll be able to give them a real answer in about 1 minute, not a maybe. That is a skill that shows up at work and in career conversations. Now, if this video has helped you, and I genuinely hope it did, hitting subscribe is the one thing that makes the biggest difference for the channel right now. Now, we're building the data crew from ground up, and if you're here, you're already a part of it. And every single subscriber tells YouTube that this content is worth showing to more people who need it. It's completely free. It just takes a second. And I promise you, I will always make it worth your time. Next, check out Power BI DAX Explained, simply for complete beginners. Now, DAX is the formula language inside Power BI. And once you understand it, the tool opens up completely. It's the next natural step after deciding to learn Power BI. The link is on the screen right now. Check it out, and I'll see you there.